name is Danny with Dayloom. We are in Leesburg, Virginia at this amazing property. I was honored to design a landscape lighting system for the home. When I first came to this property, my main focus was to highlight the structure of the house, and we did that with proper lighting. We did uplights and floodlights to be able to capture the stone structure of the house, and we were able to get more depth into the design. Was also to highlight the columns, the dormers, and the stone, and then the trees, but the house being the main focal point. First time I came to this property, I noticed these crepe myrtles, and we wanted to highlight them with the SL11 orchard light to softly illuminate the beauty of the tree all the way to the canopy, but still have the house with the beautiful structure being the focal point. So the SL11 goes to 365 lumens, so it gives you that soft lighting effect that we're looking, especially for the trees. And with the 35-degree optic, it's all we needed. And we didn't just place one picture in front of the tree. We have two SL11s to be able to capture and fully illuminate the tree from both angles, because this house is located in it's a corner house, so we wanted to capture it, and we want to highlight it from different angle views. Coming to the backyard, primarily we wanted to highlight the trees and the retaining wall along the pool, and we use SL2s to create a soft lighting effect, and we use SL1s for the crepe myrtle. And over here we use SL6 well lights on the stone grindstone, and then back there all the way to the willow trees. I was honored to design a landscape lighting system for the home.